In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link on X. By the end, you'll be able to take any web page, article, video, or event link and post it clearly so your audience knows exactly what they're clicking and why it matters. First, copy the link you want to share. If you're in a browser, highlight the full web address in the address bar and copy it. If you're in another app, look for the share option and choose Copy Link. Make sure the link opens correctly in a browser tab before you post it, and avoid links that require special logins or contain private information. If a link includes a lot of tracking characters, it's fine to use it as is, X will handle it. But trimming obvious extra parameters can make it look cleaner. Next, go to X, either in the mobile app or at x.com in your browser. Confirm you're signed into the right account, especially if you manage more than one. From your home timeline, you'll see the Compose area, the box that usually says what's happening. Click Post, or tap directly into that text box to start your new post. This opens the composer and places your cursor where you can start typing. Now paste the link into the box. On desktop, use your paste shortcut. On mobile, long press and select paste. Give it a second. If the site supports it, X may generate a preview card with a title, description, or image. If you don't see a preview, don't worry, the link will still work, and after posting, X will automatically shorten it using its t.kio format, keeping your post tidy. Add a caption that sets expectations. Explain what the link is and why someone should click it. Keep it conversational and clear, and avoid vague phrases that could feel like clickbait. A brief call to action like read the full guide, watch the demo, or get the details here can help. If you use hashtags or mentions, do so sparingly so the focus stays on your message and the link. Before you publish, take a quick moment to proofread. Check that the link is complete, your caption makes sense, and everything looks the way you want it to. When you're ready, click Post. Your link goes live immediately, and your followers can tap it to visit the page. After posting, open your new post to confirm the link works as intended. That's all it takes. Copy the link, go to X, open a post, paste, add a clear caption, and post. Keep your message focused, your link trustworthy, and your audience will know exactly where you're sending them.